How to change App Store country to China. If you're an iPhone or iPad user and you want to change your App Store region or Apple ID country to China, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process step by step, so let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app on your device. It's that gray icon with gears. Now, tap on your name at the very top to access your Apple ID settings. Now scroll down and tap on Media and Purchases. This is where you'll manage your App Store settings. Tap on View Account. You might be asked to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID, Touch ID to continue. Once you're in your account settings, tap on Country Region. Now tap on Change Country or Region. Scroll through the list of countries and select China. Now it will ask you whether you give consent to Apple to simply take some of the important or limited personal information. If you agree, simply tap on Agree and Change Country, and you'll be needed to agree to Apple's terms and conditions. Tap Agree to continue. Next, you need to update your billing information, enter a valid Chinese address and a Chinese payment information. If you don't want to add a payment method, you can select none. But if you have a Chinese credit card or another payment method, make sure to fill in the details here. Once your billing information is updated, tap Next to confirm the changes. And that's it. Your Apple ID country is now set to China. And you'll now have access to the Chinese App Store's local apps and content specific to China.